Hey there, people. How's it going? And today we're going to talk about the Safco desk side waste recycling trash can. And when I first saw one of these, probably around maybe 2 years ago, I looked at it and I said, well, it's about time. Yeah, I think this is a really, really good idea. Anybody who knows me would tell you that I am a real big advocate of recycling and things like that for the environment and all that. This is a really good idea. It's a two-piece trash can having one side for regular trash, which is this one, and the other side for, say, like your papers and recyclable type stuff. Yeah, it's great. I mean, these are, in my opinion, what every office should have underneath their desks. You know, every desk should have a can like this, because, I mean, it's extremely convenient to not have two cans, who wants to have two cans sitting next to each other? Usually you'll have a can like on one side of the room that's a can for, whatever kind of junk, and then you'll have your recycling can on like a little distance away. I mean, at least that's how it is in my office. This is right in the same spot, and that is great, and it looks really, really stylish, I think, and it's not an eyesore at all, and it's very good. It really is, and it does a really good job getting people to recycle. You know what I'm saying? I mean, making it very easy and accessible is half the battle and the key to getting people to actually do things, I mean, as far as, because a lot of people are lazy and don't feel like separating anything, a lot of people will, like, if you're going to recycle papers or anything, they're probably going to throw it all in the same can. They're going to put it in the regular trash part, right? Like this part, versus going over to the other side of the room and throwing it into the recycle part. Laziness, but some guy came up with a really good idea for those lazy people, which probably is almost probably the majority, I think. Well, it's foolproof, and it's just really easy for people to actually, do the right thing. It's a very sturdy plastic too. This actually lifts apart if, say, one side is full. Say if this one's all the way full, but this is only like a little bit. You can detach these right here. These overlaps this part, and this overlaps this other part here, and just by lifting it up and detaching it here, you can empty one part versus the other, and so you don't have to, if this part's full, you have to still wait for this part to be full before you can take it out. You don't want to do that. So yeah, it's detachable, and I think it's an excellent idea. Very economical too. I mean, these aren't that expensive. I mean, I've seen cheaper cans, but for what you get, it's a very economical price. You should probably have these at your homes too. I only have this at my job, and I really should have them at my house because they work very well, and they're a very good idea for just about everybody take part in. I really like it a lot. I wish I had started using these cans a lot earlier in my career. I didn't know how long they had them out there. I ran upon these just flipping through a catalog one day, and I thought it was awesome. So I ordered one, and then I ordered several others for other people in my lab. So I was very happy with it, and I still am. Yeah, the things they come up with to make a lazy person's life even easier to do the right thing. Yeah, I like these a lot. They're a great idea. Yeah. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Safco desk side waste recycling trash can. It's heavy duty plastic. I really like it a lot. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.